So I located the drain tube as you previously saw. This drain tube runs down the pillar and the water comes out down behind the tire. So I poured water down the tube and the water flows just fine, but when it's connected to here, right up there, it leaks onto the headliner. So this must be clogged here, so we're going to try to push some compressed air through that and hopefully stuff blows out. So I pulled the pillar cover off the driver's side and this one is dry. The other one on the passenger side had like a puddle of water in it. So this one is dry, but I'm still going to go ahead and clean these tubes out with some compressed air and make sure everything's flowing fine. So the problem was a clog in the black little inlet right there. Took some compressed air from the air compressor and put it in that black inlet and sprayed, and a bunch of black stuff came out. It looked like old weather stripping, just mold and all sorts of things. So quick fix to the sunroof. You can actually see some of the black stuff there. Like, subscribe, comment for more.